Johnson City Honda, Johnson City.
Presenting the 2011 Honda Civic, powered by front-wheel drive, a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine, and a 5-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include anti-lock brakes, Inside you'll find a premium sound system, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, cruise control, a trip computer, an MP3 player, air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
This is a Carfax one-owner vehicle which qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of the Carfax Vehicle History Report online or contact the dealership. Just say, "Show me the Carfax."
Johnson City Honda took the worry out of buying a pre-owned vehicle and gave me a worry-free lifetime guarantee.
Buy your pre-owned vehicle worry-free at Johnson City Honda because our pre-owned vehicles come with a worry-free lifetime guarantee. The same great guarantee that comes on all our new Hondas is now on every pre-owned vehicle too. Look for the orange check and make sure you're getting the exclusive worry-free guarantee. At Johnson City Pre-Owned Center, Johnson City, and our new Johnson City Pre-Owned Center in Gray.